Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy and delicious grilled sandwich. The first thing I'm going to do is cook up my bacon. So the way I like to do mine is just put it in a clean dry pan and let that cook over medium heat until it's done. I think you all know how to cook bacon, so no need to explain much. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I would be glad to have you subscribe, and be sure to click the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Okay, now I'm just going to slice up my tomatoes, and I don't want it too thin or too thick, just the right size. And I'm doing 2 tomatoes for this. When I'm making my sandwich, I like to have everything prepared and ready. So when it's time to assemble a sandwich, I don't have to keep stopping and do something. I just have everything at my fingertips. I wanted to tell you this in my last video, but I forgot. So for this month, I wanted to bring you 4 sandwiches. So last week I made my Philly cheesesteak sandwich. This week I'm bringing you this grilled sandwich. And then after that, I have 2 more sandwiches coming up. And one of them is a Belizean style sandwich. And if you don't know, Belizeans don't really eat a lot of sandwiches. That's not something we make a lot of. So come back if you want to see what that is. Okay, so now it's time for the avocado. And please be really careful. Don't do this in your hand like I did. I know I'm used to that, and I'm careful, but this is something I do all the time, but I'm very careful. So please don't do this if you're not used to that. I don't want you to cut yourself. Do it on a board. But yeah, I just make thin slices with it. A good tip to get the seed out of your avocado is to just squeeze it a little bit, and that will help the seed to come out. And then I'm putting some Havarti cheese on this, and I like Havarti because I like the way it melts and I like the flavor. For the bread, I'm just using some regular white bread, plain white bread, and I'm just putting my good old country crack spread on top, but you can use some real butter if you want to. And this is not really the top, this is the bottom, because this is the side I'm going to put on the grill. So you'll want to flip that over and put mayonnaise on the next side. put down 1 piece of the Havarti cheese. I'm putting on 2 slices of bacon that I just tear in half. Layer that with tomatoes. Then put some avocado on top. And 1 more piece of Havarti cheese, and then the bread on top of that. And make sure the side with the butter is on the outside. I'm just going to put this on my preheated panini press / grill, and I'm going to let this go for about 5 minutes or so over medium-high heat. And don't press down on it, just close it and let it do its thing. Now if you don't have a panini press or a grill combo like this one, you can just use your stove and do it in a frying pan, and just the way you would make your other sandwiches. I asked my hubby to help me cut it because, as you know, I am not a good cutter. I can't cut anything straight to save my life. This sandwich is so simple and yet just so good, and a lot of the flavor comes from the bacon and the cheese. You don't really need to do much to it. You know, I used to think I don't like sandwiches, but then I realized it's not that, it's that I don't like cold sandwiches. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so come follow me if you don't want to miss it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. The thumbs up really help out my channel and it helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.